Daimler AG issued a promissory note loan together with Landesbank Baden-Württemberg, both via the classic method and in parallel via the innovative blockchain. For the automotive company and the financial service provider, this was more than simply a test. It was an important step towards making the future a reality.
Blockchain technology opens up entirely new possibilities for creating simpler and more efficient processes. New business models are the result. We as a bank want to tap this potential in order to further improve our services to benefit our clients.
For us, this pilot project is the first step towards testing the wide variety of possibilities that blockchain offers for various financial processes. We can imagine to conduct such processes completely via blockchain someday.
Blockchain technology enables the administration of information inside a network without the need for a central control unit, while maintaining security and the utmost transparency for all parties. The information is separated into blocks of data. An individual hash total is attributed to each block and the transactions contained within it assigned. The individual hash total enables a completely unique connection to be established to the next data block. This creates chains that are compared with one another simultaneously on an ongoing basis on all participating computers. If the data in a specific block changes, its hash total changes, and this is noticed immediately when the comparison with the correct data on the other computers is carried out.
The public blockchain principle is an interesting one, and the role of banks within the economic cycle will change as a result of this technology. Our aim is to not just observe this development, we rather proactively shape and especially transfer the function of banks as a trustworthy intermediary to the digital world. That said, we are using a private blockchain. The basic principle is the same, but a group of participants comprises professionals and fulfills the highest quality standards.
In parallel with the Bond blockchain pilot project, we are examining a variety of other projects in which blockchain could be used in a practical way to boost efficiency. Blockchain can affect nearly the entire value chain of our sector: customer relations, sales and marketing, supplier management, digital services, and financial services. Other possible applications of blockchain technology in the financial sector include payment transactions, securities trading, and the cross-border shipment of goods. LBBW has been our partner for many years. It has extensive experience in this field and, like us, is forging ahead with innovative, future-oriented projects.
A first example of these future-oriented projects is the issuance of a promissory note loan. In the classic method, the bank takes on a central role here and checks the borrower, draws up the contract, communicates with investors, manages the order book, makes payments, and assumes extensive administrative tasks throughout the loan's entire life cycle. From start to finish, this takes a good 10 weeks. With blockchain technology, this can be accelerated considerably.
We are the market leader in the area of promissory note loans and want to make this business even simpler and faster for our clients. Plus, the required information and contracts have to be managed in an analog format. Even confirmations via fax at the end are still necessary. This is enormous potential for optimization here.
Preparation, marketing, execution. Each of the three phases of a classic promissory note loan can reap benefits from digitalization. However, blockchain technology offers the most significant advantages when it comes to implementation. Access is granted via a decentralized customer portal for the borrower, the front and back office of the arranger, as well as for investors. Subscription notes and contracts are approved there digitally. Smart contracts automate management of the order book, creation of loan agreements, or checking of payments received. Even in this blockchain that is limited to an exclusive group of participants, access is granted via a digital key pair, the public key and the private key. Decentralized storage of the data for the first time allows all parties to the promissory note loan to be able to see the same information at the same time.
What makes blockchain technology so interesting is that it allows us to increase the security and transparency of a variety of payment processes and contractual relationships. The joint project with LBBW has come at just the right time to enable us to build know-how for the design of new business models and to position ourselves as active players in the global technology and startup market. We want to become an active part of the global blockchain community and want to contribute to the creation of cross-sector standards.
As a bank, our overall experience with this pilot has been an entirely positive one. We want to work hand in hand with clients to develop blockchain technology further. Daimler was the ideal partner for the pilot, since both of us have great interest in using blockchain technology. Being able to work flexibly across disciplines with a client in a joint project team has also been extremely insightful for us. We were able to come to the table together in a context entirely different from our cooperation so far. This was an important experience looking towards a future in which financing parties network more intensively.